is Hunter. Hi, my name is Miles. We are going to be telling you how to make spinach, sauteed spinach. These are the ingredients. Most people don't have this for breakfast, but we do, and we like it. This is garlic. This is nutmeg, salt, and pepper. And this is onions. This is spinach and olive oil.
We put the recipe on the screen so you can know the amounts to use. Start with heating the olive oil in a cast iron skillet on medium heat. Add the garlic and brown it, stirring occasionally. Add the onion and cook until translucent. Add the spinach leaves and serve. You may want to put a top on the skillet to avoid splattering.
It's time to enjoy the meal. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. No, see you on